What's up, vlog? I'm gonna put on the...
Say hi to chat.
F in the chat. What's up? Happystores.com. It's like an hour before SneakerCon.
Which means no music. All right, it's not packed. And we might be able to find some really good deals right off the bat.
We're not supposed to be buying for ourselves, dude.
I know, but for the site, you know, shopsotopia.com?
We're not supposed to be buying for the site because you still have a whole table.
But we're gonna sell out. We're gonna sell out. We're gonna sell out. All right. But anyways, I'm wearing a chest mount just because I don't want to be putting cameras in people's faces and all that. But we're gonna be walking around, and we're just gonna see what we can find. You know, this is SneakerCon.
This is SneakerCon. This is our first SneakerCon in
a few years.
Can they hear you okay?
Yeah, no, they could chat. Leave a comment down below. Can you hear me? Oh, they got cars here. Open air. So right now, I'm kind of looking for those boots that have the worn sneakers. That's where you're gonna find the deals.
Dude, that's so cool, man.
Blazendary brought out a freaking DeLorean. It's a sign, dude.
I have to buy one now. No, I really do. Let's go right now.
All right, guys. David needs a DeLorean. Bayrestorations.com. That's how you support.
I need 100,000 orders.
100,000 orders. Okay.
Yo, I'm gonna walk by and see if they recognize me from the commercial. Hey,
shut up. chill, dog. Chill.
You know how cringe that'd be? Imagine I just walked up. I'm just like.
They're like, who is this?
Sir, we're not open yet, and I'm just.
It's me.
Hello.
So this year it's at the Anaheim Convention Center.
Wow, I didn't realize there's a whole bunch more over there.
Yeah, there's so many. Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
What's up, sir? How are you?
Just get underneath the hood trying to fix
How you been, bro?
How are you guys?
Mr. Major Waves himself.
Say hi to the vlog.
Say hi to chat.
What up? Yeah, you just missed it. I was over here fighting the machine, but it works now. So.
Oh, yeah?
Oh yeah. We're doing whole bunch of cool, like, we're doing basically 50 free shoes.
Oh wow, with Puma?
With Puma. So
sick.
Free Pumas.
Can I start lining up right now?
Yeah.
All right.
Nice seeing ya.
Good luck today, bro. We're just gonna zigzag real quick. That was the homie Major Waves. He does a bunch of classes, so if you guys want to check it out, I have it on the screen. Make sure to shoot him a follow. Ah, I got all the fire SVs.
How are you, man?
Good.
Got all the fire SVs, man.
Yeah, one person brought it to us, so that's why they're all 9s.
Yeah. Oh, this is all from one person?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
All the size 9s anyway.
Yeah. A little too small for me. It's still so nice.
It's nice to see it though.
I prefer seeing this than all like the new stuff.
I hear you.
Cool. Good luck today, guys.
All right, thank you.
Are you looking for anything though? If something catches your eye,
Yeah.
I kind of like these dunks.
I like those.
I kind of want those Union dunks.
Oh yeah.
They're not going for too much.
So Alex just posted a new reel.
We gotta throw it up on the screen right now. Hey, how's it going, man?
What's up, bro? How much for these?
All the prices are on the thing, sir. Just check it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I'll think about it. Literally, almost 14,000 views in like 10 minutes.
Any comments though?
Yeah.
Because if there's no comments, that's my bot ones.
Have fun today, boys. Steve Lecca, laughing face. The duo we needed. If I ask and it's on there, it means I ain't buying it.
Damn. Do you guys do that? How's it going, man?
What's up, bro? That feels like years ago, 5
For
years
real?
ago type shit. That's crazy.
You got a booth over here?
Yeah, big setup right there.
Okay.
That's right there.
For sure, yeah. We're just walking around trying to check people's shit out.
Oh, hey, nice.
guys, just if that ever happens, just say hi to David. Like, you don't have to shake his hand or anything.
It's bad for my MH.
Not good for his energy. These are actually really, really nice. Like, I'd buy a pair. I don't know what they're going for, but shoot, I might need these. These are the ones I want. Yeah.
So how you guys?
How's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
It's 8.5, 9, and 10.5.
10.5. How much are you asking for the 10.5?
We got them at 360
360 each? Okay, for sure. I'm gonna look around, but thanks, man.
No problem.
Yo, why is this all sweaty?
Is it? Chat, are we good? Okay. So we're gonna do another lap. We walked through a couple
I feel so
aisles.
insecure wearing this.
Really?
No, I'm good.
We walked through a couple aisles, saw some pretty cool stuff, but we know that we're gonna be really busy today, so we gotta, you know, check everything out. How's it going, guys? What size are the dunks at the end?
The Argon?
Yeah.
We have a 9, 10, 11, 11 and a half, and 12.
How much for the 10?
The 10, 340.
340?
He's doing the Sneakercon starter pack.
You just gotta make sure you're not being overcharged, you know, like I'm assuming it's gonna be a little bit over, but 310 basically. You want a 340? Go like 320? If they don't take the 320, I'm leaving.
Our car was already packed, dude, as is, so we don't need any more shoes.
Wait, that table has it. Let's go over here to this table real quick. Sneaky, very sneaky. What size do you guys have in these ones?
Size 9 and 9.5.
9 and 9.5. Thank you.
How much are you asking for the 9.5?
For the 9.5, I believe I'm asking 450.
Okay.
How's it going, man?
No, 400.
Oh, 400?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. What's up, bro? How are you?
Doing good, doing good. How's business, man?
Doing good.
You guys just walking
You're on
around?
the vlog right now, man.
Oh, what's up, man? How you doing? Come check us out.
DJ Soul?
DJ Soul Plug in, Soul Plug following up.
Oh, hell yeah. Thank you.
I will take one. Thank you.
All right, man.
Appreciate
I'll
it.
catch you guys around.
We'll see you.
For sure. Nice meeting you, bro. All right, take it
We'll
easy.
see you. See you.
Thank you, man. That was my sign to. That was my sign to not buy the shoes right now. You know?
Sell some stuff first.
Sell some stuff,
and then we'll come back.
Because look, every table has them. Look, even this. I want to see if it's a size 10. What's up, bro?
Yo, it's good. I was gonna recognize you. What's up?
Pretty good.
How's it going?
Good, good.
Good.
Oh shit, is this recording?
Yeah,
His
yeah,
vlog.
vlog, bro.
Hey, what up?
Make sure you check them out. Instagram, everything, bro.
9.5, 360.
I swear I sold my pair for way more.
9.5, 350. Oh, my brother got me these for Christmas a long time ago.
What are those called? I forget.
Like Dorothy's or something.
What do you think about these?
They're cool.
Mummies?
How much? 300.
But I'm gonna wear them anyways. I just watch you guys on YouTube. Oh, that's what's up. This is your table?
How's it going?
How you doing, bro?
We're good.
You 280 on these ones?
I'm pretty high on this. I could do 290.
290. You got pay comps? What do you got? Zell? Okay. I'll do it. I'll do Zell. 290. Done deal. Yeah, size 10.
I have cash for now too.
All right. Tell us when though.
3, 2,
Sure, bro.
Take it easy.
Have a good one.
Just got the shoes. We are. What was that? 290. 290 down in the hole. What's
Yo,
good?
I failed because I wasn't supposed to let you buy those.
No, but it's okay. It's okay.
I failed. Wow.
Gosh, what the dunks? Miss Piggy's, the shoe that started it all. Quags,
10.5, 550.
Quagmires. How much for these? 450 now. Wow.
How's it going?
Good, everything. How's everything, bro? Okay, and we have all of David's Croc charms right here, which you'll be able to find at hypebeastrus.com. We have Mama Croc. We got Baby Crocs down here. 2 for $5. We got a bunch of baby kicks over here. Okay. Can y'all smell the candle? So the show is gonna start in about 10 minutes or so, and it's gonna get loud in here. We're like right by the stage. The stage is all the way back there, but it's gonna be tough. So I don't know if I'm gonna get hella footage. I'm gonna try to hold this table down. David and I are trying to sell at least one thing today, right, David?
That's our goal. One thing.
One thing, only one thing. And if one thing doesn't sell, shopsaltopia.com,
hypebeastrus.com. Swipe up.
Footwear of the day. David got kicks. Custom. Python 1s. If you guys would like to see us make some custom Air Jordan 1s on the channel, let me know.
Alex's channel because I don't upload. Wait. What's on your feet though, dude?
Just some custom Dior Air Force 1s.
Wait, you made those all by yourself?
I sure did.
Wow, that's so cool, dude.
Thanks. Oh,
That was stupid. Do not leave any of this in there, but like I really don't want to be here.
me either. Who's the Burger King over there? See the Burger King guy? Let me show you guys the Burger King guy. You guys see the Burger King guy? Put W in the chat for Burger King. Okay, chat. David and I just sold one item each.
Great
so
news. It's gonna be a great day.
We hit our quota today. Anything more than that is just like, It's amazing. Yeah, it's
Well,
right.
actually, it's not really profit, but it's good.
We're like $3,000 in the hole right now.
Don't tell them that.
Stay tuned.
But yeah.
Mr. Grant Brady's in the building. Say what's good. You get taller?
I don't know. Did I? I don't know.
Look at this guy. Grant. It's the Grant cam. Grant is taking over the vlog. Thank you, Grant.
What up, vlog? It's Grant taking over, aka Grant Shady, aka G Money, aka G Banga, taking y'all around SneakerCon, checking out all the tables. Crazy event so far, big event. It's gonna take a while to walk around this whole thing, but I'm gonna take y'all around and show you what they got. A lot of people.
Oh, snap. You see anything cool? You see the flamethrower?
So I'm finally back from SneakerCon, and I figured that I would just end this video or this SneakerCon part off with like a voiceover, because there's a lot of stuff that went on and I didn't record everything. So the one thing that I want to mention is that there were people that were getting air tags placed on their U-Hauls. So if you guys ever go to an event, make sure you are very, very careful, because there's people waiting to hit licks. There's people that are trying to do some shady stuff. And that's what was going on at this SneakerCon right here. So be careful of the Apple AirTags. If you get a notification, I think you can disable it, but just be aware. People are doing that. And the second thing that I wanted to mention is that I didn't record on the second day because it was essentially the same thing. We walked around, saw the tables already, so I was like, man, y'all don't want to see that. As far as the prices went, I feel like a lot of tables were overstock X price. I'm not hating on it. I mean, you do you get your money, but there's no way in hell that I'm paying more than the stock X price for a shoe. So I don't know if other people were selling like that, but I mean, that's what I was seeing. So I thought that was kind of like, I like finding the tables that have worn sneakers because I could get deals on them. But a lot of them just had a lot of, new sneakers, and they were just, the prices were kind of crazy for me. But that's going to wrap up the SneakerCon part of this video. The part that I'm about to show is the bonus footage. We're going to take Grant to Universal Studios since he's never been before. So let's go.
Good morning. Good morning. Universal Studios Hollywood. Wow.
I never thought we'd be here, but we made it out here, guys.
So we stayed an extra day just to come here and check out Universal. And we brought out our most favorite subscriber. He doesn't watch the videos anymore, but he used to when he was like 13.
Yeah.
But now he's all grown. So.
And he's not just a subscriber anymore. He's a fan. No, I'm just kidding. He's the homie now.
So if you guys would like a chance to win, a chance to hang out with us, OnlyFans is down below in the description.
You stop.
Okay.
Like, it's supposed to be a wholesome day today. And you
Okay, no, I got you.
Don't bring up the OF.
Anyways, guys, we're gonna bring you guys along. I'm gonna try to record some rides. We're gonna have a fun day. We're starting a little bit later today. It's already 1:30 and they close at 7. So we're gonna try to make the most out of it. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. You already know what time it is. What time is it?
Sit back,
relax, and eat it. Let's go.
Holy.
Okay, I haven't been here since I was maybe 10 years old. So I'm gonna try to give you guys the full experience from my perspective, all right? As a grown man now. So we'll see how this goes. Should be fun though. Yo, we got Raggy Doo. Hey, shout out to the homie right there. Okay, we're about to go on this ride right here.
Evil. What are you doing? I am crying. This is the cutest puppy.
Okay, as we enter Harry Potter land, we see that David is excited.
Ladies and gentlemen, Grant, Brady, and I are home. We're home.
I don't know what is going on. Grant, do you know what's going on?
I don't know what's going on.
Okay, let's see what's in the gift shop. This is how they get you. Okay, they got $25 Christmas ornaments. That's kind of crazy. How much are the rock candies? How much are the rock candies? I'm saying 10. Yo, 15. Bugging. Graham, what's this building called?
This one?
Yes.
I don't know. Leave right now.
Actually, no, it says Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and...
This is like the Stanford in like the Wizard World.
Oh, okay.
You know how hard it is to get in here?
Yeah.
I sent my application, they sent it back. They don't allow fat wizards.
Is that another line over there? Here.
So we just went on to the Harry Potter ride. What did you think about it?
It was cool. It made me a little bit dizzy. Or like a little woozy. I'm gonna hit this water though. This is where they get the butterbeer. Supposedly it's hella good. I might try a sip of Grant's, but I'm gonna go for the water. It's probably like $8.
Good man.
All right, guys, let's play Guess That Price. I'm saying 8.
I'm thinking 5.
5? What are you thinking? 5?
$5.
If the butterbeer's 9, the butterbeer's $9, I doubt that'd be 8. Maybe 7. I'll go 7.
Rumor has it this tastes like Arrowhead water.
Okay, water's water. Let's get a sip on camera. It's alright. What? Can I try a little bit? Try a sip. Alright. It's alright. $9? It's alright. It's okay.
The parking lot of this motel looks kind of full. I'm not sure if they're going to have room for us. They had to start specifically for the movie. The cost of production about $60,000. Not too bad for an entire airplane. But then they charge Paramount $250,000 to get it here, so that's where they get you, shipping and handling, so watch out. Well, let's see this crash site in action from this scene in War of the Worlds.